In this video, we will talk about how to fix can't change display resolution, Windows 10. Method 1. Check monitor and cable. Using low quality or incorrect cables can limit resolution. Prefer HDMI or DisplayPort and avoid VGA cable. Method 2. Change advanced display settings. Click on Start. Open Settings. Select System. Scroll down. Select Advanced Display Settings. From here, select your monitor. Set the correct refresh rate. Then go back and try changing resolution again. Method 3. Update graphics driver. Right-click on Start. Then select Device Manager. Here, expand Display Adapters. Right-click on your graphics card and select Update Driver. Select Browse My Computer for drivers. Then, let me pick from a list of available drivers. Click on your graphic card. Then click Next. If Update doesn't work, right-click on Graphics Card and select Uninstall Device. Then click on Uninstall. After uninstalling, click on Start and restart your PC. Windows will reinstall the driver automatically. Method 4. Install driver manually. Sometimes, Windows uses a basic driver that lowers screen resolution. So, you should get the latest driver straight from the official website on your PC. Simply install the driver from NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel website. After installing the driver, click on Start and restart your PC. Hopefully, this will fix your issue. See you in the next video.